everyone, thanks for joining me today. Valar Morgulis for my Bravosi friends out there. It's Sunday, April 26, 2020. I've got two words for you. Lego drop. There's nothing really more satisfying than taking a whole giant bin of Legos and dumping them out on the floor. Much more satisfying than picking up said Legos. So I thought this week I would share with you my Lego collection and maybe do a couple of other creative things. The first thing that I have in my Lego collection is this Lego Star Wars AT-AT from the famous Hoth battle in Return of the Jedi. I drove all the way to Richmond to buy this last Lego model AT-AT at a Target for 99 bucks. Interestingly enough, I just recently checked the price of this model on Amazon and it is about 460 bucks. You're never too old to play with Legos, and you're definitely never too old to get one for Christmas. So thanks, Mom, for getting me this classic Mini Cooper. This 1,777 brick Mini Cooper is the MK7 with the classic green and white color scheme. It even has an engine and a picnic basket. Now, Lego models are fantastic. Follow the instructions and build the model. Boom, you got this really amazing Lego model. But Lego toys are made to inspire your own creations, like this castle Lego dice tower used for playing board games, which is another interesting topic. Most of these bricks I got when I was 5 or 6 and are at least 40 years old. I made this particular dice tower about 5 years ago and haven't been able to bring myself to destroy it. Speaking of destroying, I made a trebuchet. Several years ago, my oldest daughter was doing a unit on simple machines in 3rd grade while I was on spring break, and I thought, yeah, I think I'll make a Lego trebuchet. This trebuchet has been known to throw vicious Play-Doh balls up to 35 feet.
There you go. It's a pretty decent distance.
Thanks again to my mom for getting me this fantastic VW camper van Lego model for Christmas. This 1:17 scale has 1,332 bricks and detail that is unparalleled in any other model that I have seen. Tile floor, curtains, kitchen, fantastic. Love this thing, Mom. I had another Lego idea this week, and that was making Lego caricatures. So I thought about making one for myself, but then my family pitched in, so let's check this out. So everybody, we're living in the age of puzzles right now. We're at home, alone or with our families, and puzzles are a great solitary thing to do. Jigsaw puzzles, board games, Legos fit right into that niche. So how about going up into the attic or down into the basement and grab that big old bin of Legos and make something out of them. Could be anything. Send those to me. Photos, video. I want to see what you're doing. Next up, this week's learning plan. So the Math Scribble post is up for the week. Find the link to your classes. Please take the Google Forms survey. It gives me a sense of how you're doing, how long the work is taking. It helps me tailor the material for you in the following week, so it really benefits you to take those surveys. Also, I really like to see you guys jump in on these Zoom meetings. I want to see your faces. I want to see what you're doing. Answer any questions about the material. So you guys have been sent those invites for the week, and please join me during the scheduled time. If you can't, send me an email, say, hey Mr. Mac, can we find another time to meet, and we'll make that happen. Next up, Mac News. My little Mac News video broadcasts have basically blown up the internet all around the world. So I thought I would share with you my fan mail from you for you. So let's check out this next segment. Let's move on. Next up, where in the world? Last week's Where in the World took us to a tiny Southeast Asian country along the mighty Mekong River. I got several responses from the community saying the correct answer is Cambodia. So close. It is not Cambodia. Cambodia is on the southern border of this nation. Our good friend from the Cayman Islands, Julia Roberts, gets the W this week with the correct response, Laos. Well done, Julia. He used a very subtle clue in the video. If you see one of the boats going down the river, has the national flag of Laos on it. So let's check out this week's Where in the World.
You have a snake in your lap, Abby.
So email me those guesses, please, and Ramadan Mubarak. So I wanted to close the show today with some responses from the Trick Shot Challenge video that I posted last week. I got a couple from our community. I got many from my own family, and I thought maybe I would add a couple of my own in there. So let's check it out.
Trick Shot Challenge, take one.
This one's for John. This one's for Derek.
I'm going to roll this ball into that little bitty box.
John. Derek. Yes! Wait, let me see that. There you go.
Hey everybody, that's our show today. Thanks for taking it all the way to the end. I look forward to seeing your smiling faces in my computer screen this week during Zoom. And have a great week. See you next time.